Alright, well, here you have it. It's installed. It's a tight fit. This is an OAN 5500. Only thing left to hook up is this is for this connector here. It's for the remote. I have the pigtail for it. And I just have to figure out which wires go where on the old wiring harness and hook them up to the new one. And it looks like what they did was, these are original. Looks like these are original wires. And these are trailer wires. They got a connector, a trailer connector, somehow over here. Somewhere it's spliced. Probably right here. It's spliced with the trailer wire, just so it looks like it's just so they can get the connector. So anyway, I will cut it back. Figure out which pink, blue, green, and brown do, and hook them onto here. And then I'll be able to control the generator to on off from inside the RV. It looks like I'm going to keep these straps on here because they're stuck. I would have to lift it up, but for any reason I need to pull it out, I'll have these straps on there because there's no way I'm going to be putting another strap on there. Probably what will happen is these will rot out, and when I go to pull it out, I'll just rip them right off. But anyway, I'm going to leave these on here. I'm going to cut all this extra off. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. But let me start it up. Ready? Watch. Start up. You hold this button here, the start button. It starts up. I'll get the decibel readings in a minute. I plug this in. I already tested it. It runs everything. I'm going to start it up. I'm going to let it run. I'm going to close it all up and see how hot it gets. But these are built to be inside, so what it does is it sucks in the air under here, which is open for the most part. You can see all these grates right here. Sucks in the air here, and it's supposed to throw the air out on this side. It's supposed to come out here and come down here, but all I have is really this little slit to let the air out, and then frame, and there's more of the slide on the other side, and the exhaust is all over it on this side. So this is where the heat's supposed to come out. So I'm hoping that's enough. Hoping that's enough. We'll see. I don't want anything to melt. So I put the bar here, so it can't. I mean, it's wedged in there, but just in case, it won't be able to slide out. So, no, I'm gonna put the front panel on. I'm gonna start it, put the front panel on, let it run. I'll get some noise readings and temperature. All right. All right, here we are, standing right in front of it. Wow, 79, 80 decibels. The hatch to see what happens. I don't think there's going to be that much difference. I'm going to reset it. Okay, so now it's closed. Now we're about the same. Alright, so it's about the same, 80 decibels. Alright, now we're going to take up some temperature. Right now I can feel this air blowing, real like warm air blowing out right here. What I might have to do is chop these out see what it feels like underneath the bed here. Oh, it's cool. I don't even feel anything. It's 104, 103, but it doesn't mean anything. Inside here is 104. So there's no. With the other generator in here, I could feel this all getting warm. This is not getting warm at all. So far I'm pretty happy. And it's very quiet. You can barely hear it under there. I mean, it's right. This is the bed, and it's right in this area, right under here. I mean, it's not. I don't have anything running right now, AC or anything, but it's very quiet up here. You can barely even hear it. So with the exception of the exhaust and the remote, I think it's done. I'm just going to let it run for a while, make sure it doesn't overheat or anything. Temps is still 160s. Alright. Mark this 3/4 of the way done. Alright, what I want to show you right now is how I did the exhaust for the generator. So go into here. Okay, so there's the exhaust. Comes out of the generator. Had to cut the frame and cut the support above it. Made a little hole. So the exhaust from the generator goes there. Goes that way. I clamped it right there so I can disconnect it if I want to. And then it makes a right turn. Goes above the wastewater thing, right? Comes around, makes another 90. There's a hanger, and it comes right here. So here's the exhaust that comes out just like that, out the side or by the frame. I wanted to do that because this way it looks kind of like the same as the exhaust on the motorhome. Comes out the side. Obviously the pipe's smaller, but I just wanted to, I don't know, some kind of symmetry. Alright, well here's the final product. I got all the wiring done. The wire for the remote is right here. It goes in. It's the original wire that came with the motorhome, and it runs all the way up to the panel over here. Is inside the panel right here. So I took this is the new one. It's a little loose. The opening is a little bit too large, so what I'm probably gonna have to do is get another piece of wood, put it here, and then screw this onto it, because this one screw's not even hitting. But you can see we've been running it. I got like 3 hours on it now on the generator. But I can start the generator from right here, or I can start it from the generator, which is more of a pain. But all you do is here is just hit the stop prime button for a little bit. The light should be flashing. You can't hear it, but you hear the pump going. Alright. And then go to start. I'm holding it. Oh, it didn't start. It almost did. Let's try again. There we go. And now it's running. And it's underneath here, you can barely even hear it. You come outside. It's really quiet now. I have the exhaust running. Coming out right there. Pipe's already rusted. I probably should have coated it, but anyway, it's pretty quiet now. And if I want to shut it off, I can either shut it off here, like usual. You hit the stop, right? It'll shut it off. Or, my favorite part is there's the button here. Generator start and stop. And I just hit the stop button. I don't know if you can hear it, but it shut off. And since it was just running, I should be able to hit the start button. It should start right up. Yep. I don't know if the prime works. I don't know if I hold this down, if that will make it prime. I haven't tried that. But I can definitely shut it off and start it from here. So it's kind of cool. Well, that's going to wrap up all the generator videos. I tried doing the portable generator. Gave it my best shot. That didn't work. Finally gave up and put this RV generator in. Right now it's running pretty good. I mean, it works fine. On, off. We drove it yesterday and it powers everything. So we're pretty happy with it. It was a bit expensive, but it's working very well. So thanks for watching, guys. Sorry, I really wanted to get the portable one working, but I thought that would have been cool. But if I wanted to start driving this thing, I needed a generator, and I couldn't keep messing with that thing. So I want to just thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe these videos and my channel. I appreciate it.